Welcome to the 139th episode of Lalita Divya Rahasya Sahasranama Stotra. Saturation is the key for blissful life. Maharshi Mahesh Yogi, the inventor of transcendental meditation, he passed away while he was sleeping. His soul departed when his body was sleeping. Mahesh Yogi taught this technique to Beatles, the transcendental meditation, the famous rock band. Mahesh Yogi taught that 1% of individual practicing TM, that is transcendental meditation, in a given area can transform that particular area. This is known as Maharshi effect. And he lived more than 90 years and his soul departed while he was sleeping. So this is another example for saturation is the key, for another example for the towards this hypothesis that saturation is the key for blissful life. Let us move forward. Next nama is Kshetra Swarupa. The external manifestation of Vidhatri, the personality or ego of Vardhamudra, that is Kshetra Swarupa. Guna is an internal characteristic. Guna, when applied externally, it is called Lakshana. The gooseberry example in Vidhatri, which is beyond the five elements, externally manifesting in a form, is known as Kshetra Swarupa. With this nama, Kshetra Swarupa, the concentrated forms of the cosmic energy on earth, that is Shaktipitas, came into limelight. Similarly, the naturally formed deities came into the limelight. The root of naturally formed deities is Jagati Kanda. We still do not know how much hidden wealth or hidden treasure is still existing in this Kanda. Perhaps this was a time in the history that the temples were being constructed, the places of worship started, etc. The personality or Kamarupa form of Vidhatri, assuming an external shape or form, is Kshetra Swarupa. The personality of Vidhatri, that is beyond the five elements and beyond the illusion effects of Vishnu Maya, like a chiseled form of its statue gets originated. That is the energy form of Vidhatri chiseled into a statue form, that is called Kshetra Swarupa. Let us see an example. Majority of Nrsimha temples in South India, the Kshetrapalaka, chief of security of that particular temple, is Hanuma for majority of the Nrsimha temples. What are the qualities of Hanuma? Hanuma is equipped with four qualities: Ekadasa Rudra, the Meru mountain, force of the air, and Kamarupa, or the ability to transform in whatever form he desires. The first application of the Kamarupa, so Hanuma he is having the ability to transform himself in whatever shape and form that he wants. That's why when in Ramayana, when Rama and Lakshmana enters into the Rishamukha region, Sugriva pursues Hanuma to go and talk to them, and Hanuma transforms himself into a Brahman, and then talks to Rama and Lakshmana. That is the Kamarupa, application of the Kamarupa. The first application of the Kamarupa through the 5 elements in a deity form is Nrsimha. Nrsimha, the secrets of Nrsimha was described in the Nama Abrahmakita Janani. Therefore, Nrsimha is the root for energy forms of Kamarupa. Nrsimha is the origin where this Kamarupa, application of the Kamarupa energy form started. The Kamarupa form in Nrsimha in turn transformed into Hanuma subsequently. The embodiment of Dasamahavidya in the form of Kamalatmika. Through Kamalatmika Vidya, it is possible to exhibit remaining 9 forms of the remaining forms of Dasamahavidya. That is, remaining 9 forms. The application of Chinnamasta Vidya, which is one of the Dasamahavidyas, Vidya techniques, application of Chinnamasta through Kamalatmika and external exhibition of Kamarupa is known as Kshetra Swarupa. The Chinnamasta Vidya applied through Kamalatmika. Kamalatmika, it encompasses all the techniques of the Dasamahavidya. Hence, through Kamalatmika, any of the 10 techniques can be exhibited. Therefore, Chinnamasta, when applied through Kamalatmika, along with this, the Kamarupa form, energy form of Kamarupa exhibited, that is called Kshetra Swarupa. The exhibition of the fire element of personality of Vardhamudra, which in turn was executed through the saturated form of Kamalatmika, is Kshetra Swarupa. Therefore, in Kshetra Swarupa, there are many things. It's a combination of many things. The saturated form of Vardhamudra, which in turn is a technique of Kamalatmika, and Chinnamasta Vidya, Kamarupa energy form, all that combined is Kshetra Swarupa. Through this Nama, Kshetra Swarupa, Kulamrudaika Rasika re-enters planet Earth. In Linga Purana, Bhibarti Kshetratam Devi Tripuram Takavallabha Kshetragnatwama Jodatte Bhagavananta Kantaka. Next Nama is Kshetresi, Brahmi energy form of Veda Janani, that is Kshetresi. Kshetresi bifurcates the feminine and masculine energy forms. Kshetra Swarupa is typically a deity on a hilltop which was naturally formed. Then through the nourishment of Brahmi energy, Brahmi is one of the 7 divine mothers, Saptamatrakas. Through the Brahmi energy that was present in the hill, the male and female energies are bifurcated. If the deity is feminine energy, then the premises or hill possesses the masculine energy. On the other hand, if the deity is representing masculine energy, then the premises or hill is having feminine energy. The deity is Kshetresi, the premises or hill is Kshetra Swarupa. Therefore, both nourished through common cord of Brahmi energy form on the hill. The hill or mountain is having also the Kundalini energies, the Kundalini chakras, and the base of that, the Swadhisthana chakra of that mountain will have Brahmi energy form. So through that Brahmi energy, the male and female energies of that particular particular temple premises are bifurcated, and if the deity is one form, then the premises will assume the complementary energy form. So Kshetra Swarupa assumes the role of a guardian to the deity Kshetresi. However, there are some exceptions to this theory. In the case of Nrsimha Swami, or the hybrid form of man-animal, the roles of Kshetresi and Kshetra Swarupa are different. Nrsimha, as explained in Abrahma Kitajanni, belongs to the Kitaka or insect category. So the majority of Nrsimha's temples, Kshetresi is the insect form or a hybrid energy form. The guardian or custodian of that particular temple or premises, Kshetra Swarupa, is Hanuma, or sometimes it is Kala Bhairava. So this concept of Kshetra Swarupa and Kshetresi and the bifurcation of energies was, however, distorted in a number of temples due to the prevalence of blind faith and rigid opinions. That means they have distorted the original content by installing the guardian of their own choice. So, through this Nama, Kshetresi, Kula Sanketa Palini re-enters planet Earth. Remaining Namas we'll explore in the next episode. Thank you.